Hey everybody, welcome to the channel today. Today we're going to pull my old black truck in. Got a rebuild kit for the engine, so that's going to come out. I'm going to crack it apart, place the bearings and everything on the inside, old pump, new pistons, new rings, and we might even try to tackle the roll pan. It's gonna take us a couple of days. It ain't gonna all get done at once, but we're gonna give it a shot. All right, here it is. 351 Windsor, stock bottom end, aluminum heads, aluminum intake, roller rockers, Lunati Voodoo cam, complete MSD ignition, 4-barrel carburetor, she runs pretty good, but she could be better. That's the entire reason of pulling her out again, because we just put her back in a couple months ago. Well, that's going to do it for this episode. Thanks for watching Two Brothers Garage. When we come back, the hood's going to be off. We're going to drain the radiator, pull it out, fan shroud. The front clip's going to come off. Core support. And we'll start from there. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.